Have a problem with BO but don't want to use the terrible store-bought deodorants? Hi, I'm Katie with Simply Earth and I love teaching people how to use essential oils, and today we're talking about BO Be Gone Essential Oil Blend. So in this video we'll talk about how to use this oil, how it works, and make sure you know how to use it safely. Let's start with how to use this oil. I love using it in DIY deodorant recipes. Most store-bought recipes contain aluminum and other toxic ingredients which are harmful for your health, especially if you're using them daily over time. So check out the link in the description box to the blog post where we have recipes to make your own natural deodorant. You can also make a roll-on of this recipe to help with BO in emergency situations. This oil is a blend of oils including lavender, orange, sandalwood, ylang-ylang, and patchouli. Lavender essential oil is a natural deodorizer. It's really soothing on the skin, which is great for natural deodorants. A lot of them contain baking soda, which can be irritating, and lavender can help offset that. Orange essential oil is known for its ability to help tighten pores. If you use it on your skin, your skin will feel a little bit tighter. That's going to help control your sweating. Patchouli essential oil is another deodorizing essential oil. It's also very soothing. Sandalwood essential oil is amazing in skincare. It's really gentle on the skin and helps support what the other oils are doing. Ylang-Ylang is also in this blend and it has an amazing floral tropical aroma. It's used in a lot of perfumes. It helps bring the aroma of this blend together. It's a really good smelling blend, and it will also help deodorize. Let's make sure you know how to use this blend safely. We recommend using it in a 3% dilution rate or lower. If you're wondering what dilution means, check out the dilution chart that we have linked to below. Because of the ylang-ylang content, we recommend this oil to be used with kids aged 10 and up. And you'll want to avoid using it around your pets. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit subscribe to learn more about how to use essential oils safely.